head.
Sheppy, stop it.
Okay, stay away from the horns.
These are the mamas.
Don't worry.
And
That's
the
Mama,
babies.
Mama's one.
Here, Mama.
Come on, Leo.
I'm trying to take a little video now.
I'm going to take you back to the house. Take you back to the house.
Hey, don't take
Sweet
it over.
baby.
Yeah, look
Yeah.
at these babies.
So sweet. So we're going to call this one Casting Crowns. And we're going to call this one
Tell them apart.
Caedmon's Call. How can we tell them apart? That one has Casting Crowns, has more white. So we'll think of that white as his crown.
Oh, yeah. Me and Shadow called him Sleepy. Call home. Because all she does is sleep.
Oh, you're so adorable. You're so adorable. And this one's Sleepyhead. So, Mom, Casting Crowns has more white on his head, on his crown.
And this one's
Caedmon
Sleepy.
Call has less white. And this one's Sleepyhead.
No, Sleepy.
Sleepyhead.
No, always sleepy. He's sleepy. All she ever does is sleep.
Most babies just sleep.
So this one's Sleepy. They keep running around.
And what are the two black babies called?
I haven't called them anything.
Now, why do y'all have those two refrigerators over there? Are they locked?
No.
Their mama.
Do they have a purpose, or?
Well, we were going to bury them in the ground and use them as cold cellars for potatoes and things. But I've asked them to haul them off now for about 6 months. And
The two black babies is dead, the mama?
huh?
No, the mama is the black
Is
one over there.
the one with the broken back, broken neck.
Yeah.
It's not broken, Big Mom. Not anymore.
Well, it grew back. It healed crooked.
He plus.
There's the daddy right over there.
Yes, that's
Excalibur. Remember my little baby goat?
There's the big new bull. Rawr.
Mommy.
And there's a pawpaw.
Yeah.
I hear.
Here.
Somebody's not screaming.
He was just talking to the goats.
You like the goats, Sheppy?
Yes.
Yes?
We got a couple over there sleeping.
I'm getting funny.
Do we have triplets or do we have?
2 and 1. That's Sleepy. This one is Casting Crown. No, Caedmon's Call.
That one's casting.
And that one's Casting Crown.
We got to tell, we'll call them calling ground. No, turn it loose. Turn it loose.